Hey there. Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're struggling with dry, color-treated hair that just can't seem to hold on to moisture, this might be the game changer you've been looking for. Today, we're diving into Pureology's Hydrate Shampoo, an intensive hydrating solution designed to bring softness and moisture back to your hair. Pureology, a brand renowned for its focus on color care, has crafted this shampoo with the needs of dry and color-treated hair in mind. It's sulfate-free, which means it gently cleanses without stripping your hair of its natural oils or color. Packed with rose extract and green tea, it promises to provide deep hydration while maintaining the vibrancy of your color. So does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First off, the texture is silky and smooth, which makes it easy to lather and distribute through your hair. I've used this both in my usual morning routine and after a long day, and I'll tell you, it's incredibly gentle. No harsh stripping here. The scent is a soft blend of ylang-ylang, bergamot, and patchouli, which is subtle enough not to overpower but adds a nice layer of freshness. Now, in terms of real-world testing, I've been using it for about 2 weeks, and the difference is noticeable. The shampoo doesn't just cleanse, it infuses your hair with moisture. My hair feels softer and more manageable after each wash. It's also less prone to that brittle, dry feeling that often comes with color-treated strands. However, I did notice that if you're someone with an oily scalp, you may want to follow up with a lightweight conditioner because the hydration can be quite rich. On to the pros and cons. Let's start with the positives. The formulation is vegan, sulfate-free, and color-safe, which is a big win for anyone looking to protect their hair's vibrancy. It also has a great hydrating effect, which leaves the hair feeling nourished but not weighed down. On the downside, for those with naturally fine or oily hair, the richness of this shampoo might be a bit much, leaving hair feeling heavier than preferred. Also, the price point is on the higher side, so while it's effective, it might not be for everyone on a budget. When it comes to value for money, Pureology Hydrate Shampoo is definitely a splurge. But if you have color-treated hair that tends to get dry, it could be worth the investment. The high-quality ingredients, like the rose extract and green tea, help justify the price, but it's something to consider if you're watching your spending. If you're looking for something more affordable, but still want to achieve similar results, you might consider alternatives like Shea Moisture's Hydrate Shampoo or L'Oreal Everpure Moisture Shampoo. They both hydrate well without the hefty price tag, though they might not match Pureology's luxurious feel. As for build quality, the packaging feels sturdy and practical. The bottle is easy to squeeze and doesn't make a mess, which is always a plus in the shower. Plus, with 9 fluid ounces per bottle, you get a good amount of product to last you for quite a few washes. Overall, Pureology Hydrate Shampoo lives up to its promises of intense hydration, especially for dry and color-treated hair. If you're willing to invest in premium hair care, this could be a standout addition to your routine. However, if you don't have particularly dry hair or are on a tighter budget, there are other options out there that might suit your needs better. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in today. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. What worked for you or didn't? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.